Belajar lagi.
Oke. Okay, I think it's enough, yeah. All participant is already been attend my class today. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, okay. Okay, as my contract before, please open your camera, turn on your camera in every time we have a meeting in video conference. Okay. How is your day today?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Okay. Okay, our discussion today is about, we are going to discuss more about adjective clause and how to reduce adjective clause into adjective phrase. Okay. Before of that, I want to share something to you. Okay. Okay, this is my presentation. Can you see clearly?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, our lesson today is how to reducing adjective clauses to adjective phrases. What is adjective clauses? You're probably already familiar with these adjectives. They modify nouns and pronouns, providing a description or information. Adjective clauses, however, are groups of words that contain a subject and a verb and provide further description. In bahasa, we used to call kata keterangan, right? Adjective clauses begin with relative pronouns, including like who, whom, whose, that, and which. Yeah. They may also begin with relative adverb, such as when, where, and why. Adjective clauses don't usually change the basic meaning of the sentence, yeah, but it is clarify the writer's intent. So the adjective clauses, the objective is to clarify the writer's intent. It is one thing to keep an eye out for when adjective clauses add more information to a sentence rather than just description. They often need to be set off with a comma. For example, pizza. Okay. Okay, I want to Iqbal read the first sentence.
Okay. Pizza, which most people love, is not very healthy.
Okay.
Okay,
Iqbal, which one of these words is adjective clauses?
Which most people love.
Yeah, which most people love is an adjective because
yeah,
it is to clarify the writers, yeah. Just to clarify or just to giving more description about pizza.
Oh,
Second sentence. Banisa, can you read it?
Those people whose names are on the list will go to camp.
Okay. Which of these sentence is adjective clauses?
Whose?
Whose?
the
Name?
sentence, Bill, I think.
The sentence?
Not the word.
Not only the word.
Oh,
Which one of the sentence is become an adjective clauses?
itu tadi those ya those.
Vanessa?
Yeah.
Just guess maybe.
Uh, those.
Okay. Andre?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one?
Whose name are on list? Yes, sir.
Whose names are on the list? Those people. Who those people? Those people whose names are on the list.
Yeah.
Okay. So whose names on the list is an adjective clauses for those people. And then grandpa. Okay. Next, Andre Rapi. Can you read it?
Sekali lagi. Grandpa remembers the old days when there was no television.
Yeah. Grandpa remembers the old days. Which one of these sentences are adjective clauses?
When there was no
television.
television.
That's right. When there was no television. Grandpa remembers the old day. What
Yeah.
is the old day? We give a description, the old day when there was no television. Okay. Next, Rika, can you read the fourth sentence?
Fruit that is grown organically is expensive.
Yes. Fruit that
Adjective
is
clause is grown organically.
yeah.
Fruit that is grown
That is grown organically is expensive. Fruit that is grown organically is expensive. Which fruit is expensive? When we asking someone which fruit that is expensive, we just said that the fruit that is grown organically. Why the fruit that is grown organically is expensive? Because the farmer don't use pesticide. Okay. Next, Renaldi. Could you please turn on your camera, Renaldi? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next sentence.
Student who are intelligent get good grades.
Okay, students who are intelligent get good grades. Which one of these sentences are adjective clauses?
Who are intelligent?
Yeah,
Who are intelligent?
who are intelligent.
Intelligent.
Students who are intelligent get good grades. Student get good grades. Who's student? Student who are intelligent, of course, get a good grades. Okay. One challenge for Haddad. Is there Haddad here? Could you please turn on your camera, Haddad?
Adat lagi ke kamar mandi, Pak. Kamar mandi.
Okay. Okay. I want one of you. Okay, Iqbal.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me one example for adjective clauses?
For the word,
For the sentence, of course.
Enggak, maksudnya kata-katanya bebas, sir.
Up to you.
Okay, wait. I want to think about that.
The girl that I saw last summer is very beautiful.
Banisa,
Oh, ya.
Banisa, lalu apa ya? Wait, sir. I still remember.
The girl whose name is Banisa.
Boneng mas nggak ada kunci T itu yang L itu yang gini deh. Ada beda dia.
Bang Andri kenapa bang?
Oke.
Oke, Banisa, Wum, no Banisa deh, jangan deh. Kasian sir.
Yeah.
The others. I think the girl whom I live with broke up with her boyfriend last night.
I think that is a real story, ya.
Maybe, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's good. How about Banisa? Can you give me some example of adjective clauses? Just revenge. Iqbal, the boy who gave me a fruit.
Oh ya.
Bila ya, sir? Oh, Bila.
Esmeralda keluar mulu itu zoomnya.
Okay. How about Rika? Have you any idea how to make sample sentence using adjective clauses?
Itu Bil, baca Bil.
Okay, maybe this one.
Okay.
I don't know to whom I should give my letter.
Can you repeat again?
I don't know to whom I should give my letter.
You don't know to whom I have
Yeah,
to whom I should
send my letter.
Send my letter. Yeah. Okay. I think all of you should understand how to make a sample to make a sentence using adjective clauses, because it is needed to describe what is the meaning of the sentence. Okay, now how to reduce this sentence become an effective sentence?
Sir, I
Yes.
want to ask something.
Yes, Andre.
When we use adjective clauses, we must use this which,
Yeah.
that, who. We must
Yeah.
use.
Of
The roles,
course.
I think, sir.
Of course. I think you already know which itu for there is an option, yeah. Which one do you prefer, Rika or Banisa?
Iya. Bila Andre mah.
Whose is become what is mean the ownership. Whose book this is? Whose book under my table? Yeah, whose, and when is about the place. Yeah,
Somebody love me.
and then that, yeah, that is commonly used for anything, yeah, like a person that know me better, something, yeah, blah blah blah. And who, of course, who about object people, yeah, object people. Who is that? Who is watching me? Yeah, you can use who for something that you don't know about his or her name, like that. Okay, let's continue to reduce adjective clauses. Nah, of course, we can use reduce adjective clauses if there is only one subject, ya. Jika hanya ada satu subjek. For reductive active voice pada kalimat aktif, ya, relative pronoun and verb to be itu dihapus, and then we carry out with ing or pada active verbnya, ya. Kemudian sehingga membentuk present participle. And passive voice, relative pronoun dan verb to be dihapus. If needed, kalau dibutuhkan bisa ditambahkan being sebelum past participle. Nah, jika berbentuk bentuknya adalah progressive sentence, ya, progressive tenses. Oke. Kita lihat pada contohnya. This is an active voice. Ya, relative pronoun verb be jika ada dihapus ditambahkan ing pada active verb bentuk simple presentnya verb one sehingga membentuk present participle. For example, Renaldi, can you read the sentence, the student first sentence?
The student who always studies in the library is my friend.
Okay, the student who always studies in the library is my friend. Now, we can just reduce who always studies using verb one plus ing, yeah, and that's become the student always studying in the library is my friend, yeah. We make it effective sentence, yeah. We deleted some word, yeah, and we adding verb one plus ing in the other sentence. For example, the student who always studies in the library is my friend, and then the student always studying in the library is my friend. Okay, second sentence, Esmeralda, can you read it? The second sentence.
The athlete who is carrying the ball is Miroslav Klose.
Miroslav Klose, ya. Kalau bahasa Rusia itu kamu harus membacanya semuanya. Miroslav Klose. The athlete who is carrying the ball, how to reduce? We deleted who is carrying and become only carrying, right? Look at the table beside the sentence. The athlete carrying the ball of Miroslav Klose. She is the woman who support me day and night. Okay. Rika, read the second sentence.
She is the woman supporting me day and night.
Okay. Is the woman supporting me day and night. Is the woman who supported me day and night. Is the woman supporting me day and night. We can just delete who and make it verb one plus ing. Okay. Now how about? Okay. Okay, now how about, let me explain the next. Now how about the passive voice, okay? This is active voice. Active voice is always the formula, we get use only verb one and plus ing. How about passive voice? Okay, for passive voice, yes? Yes, Rika?
So at the point we use adjective clause if we reduce it.
Yeah, of course.
It's not useless.
Yeah, because this is some of word in English, we have to put it into effective sentence. Misalnya dalam bahasa Indonesia, coba Rika terjemahkan. Jika kamu bekerja keras, kamu akan sukses.
Terjemahan ke Inggris.
In English.
Jika kamu if you work hard, you will success.
Ya, if you work hard, you will success. Tapi in bahasa Inggris itu kita tidak sebaiknya harus kita efektifkan. Makanya kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia biasanya itu satu paragraf atau dua paragraf gitu ya. Ketika di bahasa Inggris kan menjadi hanya only one paragraph. Working hard lead you to success. In English ya. Kalau kita menerjemahkan secara bahasa Indonesia, jika kamu bekerja keras, kamu pasti akan sukses. Tapi kalau in English, working hard lead you to success. Jadi bisa lebih efektif gitu ya. Jadi tidak semua dalam bahasa Indonesia itu kita terjemahkan dalam word by word ya, word by word. Tapi nah ini kenapa dalam bahasa Inggris juga kita bagaimana membuat efektif gitu ya, efektif sentence using reduce to reduce the adjective atau keterangannya gitu ya, keterangannya yang terlalu panjang kita buat lebih simple. Okay, so English is a very simple language. Yeah. And then some cases are using preposition. Yeah, the building which in front of you was built in 1928. We just delete which. Yeah, the building in front of you was built in 1928. Okay. Let's practice ya. Oke, kita praktis. Silahkan kalian ambil kertas dulu. Oke, silahkan kalian ambil kertas lalu tulis soal berikut ini.
Kertas not gitu biasa aja nggak apa-apa.
Ya, kertas biasa saja. Oke. Now you have to write all the sentence in this presentation, yeah, in the screen, and change it, reducing with adjective clauses. First, you have to find out which one is adjective clauses, and then you reduce into another sentence. Okay, try it. Okay, 5 minutes ya. That is an example.
Change to what, sir? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you reduce the adjective clauses.
Oh.
Reduce into another sentence that more effective. Okay, try it. Okay, have you finished? Okay, guys, have you finished with the sentence?
Yes.
Okay. For the first sentence, Alfian, I saw a man who was carrying an umbrella. What is your answer?
Belum, sir.
Belum. Rika?
But don't.
I saw a man carrying an umbrella.
Okay. It's
Yes,
very easy, yeah? I saw a man carrying an umbrella. Okay, Iqbal, second sentence. The people who work there got a raise last year.
Mik. Bal, mik mulu bal. Bal.
Iqbal,
Yes. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Jelas, gak jelas.
you forget to unmute.
Uh-huh. For the answer is the people who work, the people who work got a rise last year, I think.
Why, Bill?
Which word that you deleted?
There,
Hmm.
I think, sir.
How
Because
can there? You have to you have to delete it, the adjective noun, like who, like that which. Yeah.
Can I
oh,
answering?
berarti the people work there got a rise last year.
Okay, the
Not
people.
with there or who I think
Okay,
dihilangkan.
let's find out.
Working kan?
Because
Really
this is
working.
an active sentence, you have to use verb 1 plus ing, right? The people working there got a raise last year. Okay, who's gonna answer the next question, the next sentence, I mean? The books which were published that year are expensive. Alfian, can you answer it?
The books were publishing that year are expensive.
Is it active sentence or a passive sentence?
Passive. Ini aktif, Pak.
Active or passive?
Passive,
Passive.
Pak.
Pasif yan.
Passive, Alfian. So,
Kalau pasif with being partner, I don't know. I'm forget.
Oh, ini pasif ke aktif, Pak.
ini passive. So, how to
Passive
reduce the
adjective.
passive sentence?
The, uh, publishing. Oh, ini
Gila.
pasif ke aktif kan, Pak?
No, we adjective. It doesn't mean that we have to change active into passive or passive into active. We just reduce the word of adjective clauses.
The books were published that year are expensive.
Okay. Anyone have different answer?
Kalau ini Pak,
I don't
the
know.
book publishing that year are expensive.
Okay.
With ing, I think.
The book.
Publishing that year are expensive.
Yes. That is active, yeah. The book published that year are
Oh, yeah.
expensive. We don't have to put
Bedanya apa?
any
Kok nggak di
to be, ya, any to be, because this is become an adjective phrases. Adjective phrases itu kita nggak perlu pakai to be is, to be are, to be were, to be was. We don't have to put any to be in this sentence.
Yang membedakannya Pak, dari yang di atas
are
Pak.
expensive. This is the other sentence are active sentence, ya. Kamu tahu beda aktif dan pasif, of course, ya.
Iya, Pak.
Misalnya
Yes, sir.
saya membeli buku, itu aktif. Buku itu dibeli saya, jadi pasif, right?
Pasif, ya.
Nah,
Oh, oke.
yang atas itu kalau semua yang aktif itu kita rubah menjadi verb one and plus ing.
Oke, sir.
Tapi untuk
Pasif.
kita tetap pada progressive tense-nya atau menggunakan past tense-nya gitu ya. The books
Berarti
published
yang dihilangkan hanya seperti
which
itunya ya,
were, ya,
which was were, who.
adjective word-nya dan to be-nya, oke?
Kalau publishing dia jadi beda arti ya, saudara?
Ya, publishing beda arti. Jadi si bukunya itu yang mempublish gitu ya.
Iya, sir.
Misalnya, if we use publishing, misalnya Iqbal publishing a book gitu ya. Iqbal mempublish buku. Kalau Iqbal book published by Iqbal gitu ya. Kalau menggunakan pasif. The last sentence, who's gonna answer? Rika? Do you have an answer for the last sentence? The project which has been being worked for 3 months is very difficult.
The project
being worked for 3 months is very difficult.
Yes?
Yes.
Can you repeat, Rika?
The project being worked for 3 months is very difficult.
Yes, that's right. If there is being, we have also put into the next sentence. The project being worked for 3 months is very difficult. Okay. Is it clear for you, or there is something each of you does not understand about the sentence now? Because we don't talking about the grammar, basic grammar, yeah. We don't discuss about passive, active, or present, past, and future. Yeah, we don't talking about that anymore. This is more advanced. That's we have when we try to put adjective into adjective phrase and the other phrase. Okay. Any of you have some difficult to understand? No, ya?
No, sir. Saya baru paham nih, baru
Okay.
baru connect, sir.
Okay. I think you have need more time to connect.
Connect.
Yeah. Yeah, because this is I think this is very easy ya. Karena bahasa Inggris itu bagaimana kita selalu berusaha untuk menyederhanakan sebuah kalimat atau paragraf. Jadi kalau in case kalian suatu saat